Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanisha and my channel is Glamorous Mimi. And if you're not subscribed to my family, just join it by hitting that subscribe button down below. And while you're at it, hit that notification bell so you won't miss any uploads I post, like any videos. Like I try to post every week, so bear with me. I know it's time, take time, so you already know. You read that title, you read that thumbnail. So it's the Drippin Gold Cut Crease Masquerade Edition. Yes, I did something out my comfort zone and it's new, so I like it and I enjoy it. And I already know. If you want more, you want to see the video on how I achieve my this ponytail, I will leave that in the description box for you to look at. And please subscribe to my vlog channel because I'm about to make some vlogs, my Thanksgiving, my Christmas, who knows, you know it. So make sure you y'all subscribe to that channel as well, my vlog channel as well, so you get the inside scoop what I'm up to and what I'm doing. So this is the look I achieved. It's like different. It's not. It's a gold cut crease, and I try to achieve it. I'm working on my cut crease skill, so don't judge me. I'm trying. So this is the look, and I love it. I love it. I like it. I love it. So I'm not gonna talk too much, and let's roll into the video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you already know, got one eye done. As you read the title, I'm doing a gold cut crease, a masquerade. So I'll be using these gold flakes and glitter. I took it out of the packet. I'm about to show you now. I'll be using these gold flakes and these gold glitter, using the heat sieve that came with it. I'll be using this to achieve this gold look, this digging, dripping gold look. So let's get started. As you can see, I got one eye done. I'm working on the cut crease, so don't judge me. So I'm getting there. So I will be working out this my Tortoise Pro palette, and let's get started, y'all. So my face is prime, my eyes is prime, as you can see. So yeah, the first thing I'm going to take is this punch shade and put in my crease area. I'm gonna take this shade Edgy and Wixie to mix in my crease area. On top of that, black eyeliner. I'm gonna go back in with pump and put it and go over that wing eyeliner I made. Now it's time for the cut crease, and I'm using my Bye Bye Under Eye It's Cosmetic Concealer. Remember I said this concealer was too light for my under eye, so I use it as my concealer to set my eyelid primer or eyelid makeup. So my baby want me to wear this, so I wore it, so don't laugh. I'm gonna take this shade Glam and put it on top of my cut crease. Time for the flakes, and I'm gonna use to glue my flakes on. I'm gonna use this as a heat stick that came with it. Time for some glitter. Some glitter, and now I'm about to apply my eyeliner, and the eyeliner I'm using is e.l.f. So this is the complete look, and I gotta apply my lashes. I'm using my Ardell lashes, the multi-pack. So I'm gonna do that off camera and then come back and do my face. So this is the final look. Thank you for watching and subscribing to my channel, tuning in to this video. And if you enjoy my content, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below if you enjoy my content, and please help me get to 1,000 subscribers if you enjoy my content as well. And I know I'm working on it, but I'm pushing, but anyway, thank you for tuning in, and I'll see y'all beauties in my next video. Bye.
Feelings on safety, so I don't go shooting where your heart be. Cause you take the bullet trying to save me, then I'm left to deal with making you bleed. And that's a whole